Everybody loves vegetable lo mein. Let's get started. Boil some water, add noodles. Cook for a few minutes. Don't overcook it. You want them still firm. Remove them from the pan. Then rinse in cold water. Now we're going to add some Korean barbecue to the noodles to prevent stick together, but also flavor the noodles. Add some oil in the pan, swirl to prevent sticking. Then we're going to add green onions, cabbage, red peppers, and jalapenos. Stir for a minute. Add noodles, toss. Then we're going to add more sauce, Korean barbecue, and a little bit stir fry. Add bean sprouts.
You can find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.